we're back again, guys. So the final episode to season 4. They've got a lot of shit to cram into this episode, and hopefully they do manage to do it without. It's gonna be weird. I think it's either gonna be done really well or bit shit. Because I've got a lot to cram in. And we're already starting off with a banger, finding out if she has cancer, which hopefully she doesn't. Oh, before I start, sorry, I was in a rush then. I was in a rush to find out. I hope you guys are doing well and staying out of trouble. If you wouldn't mind, please leave a like and subscribe. Only if you want to. If you don't want to, that's fair enough. And, right, I'm going to shut up now.
Ju, tenho uma ótima notícia pra te dar. Seu nódulo é benigno.
Isso quer dizer que ela tá bem, né?
Sim, isso quer dizer que a Juliana não tem câncer.
Eu vou ter que operar ou...
Nesse momento, não. Se mais pra frente você sentir necessidade por incômodo, aí sim.
So it's like
Mas
a
tem
flat
pessoas
part
que
you
operam,
look
tem pessoas que não. Depende muito, mas essa questão mesmo do incômodo, da dor, porque dependendo do nódulo ele incomoda um pouco. Mas você, não, a gente só vai fazer um acompanhamento como você já faz. E é isso.
Obrigada, doutora.
Dun, dun, dun. Fuck off. Okay. I fucked off a bit too much then.
Isso.
Yes, I understand there's a hot scene, but my hair is distracting me. Sorry. Oh, just made it so much worse. Oh, I'm sorry. Right. Focus. Gaze. I do have to admit that they've always been very comfortable with their kissing and very committed is the word. Committed, like full on. Like it's not little peck. It's been so I do have to admit that their kisses are always very good.
Preciso fazer meu exercício, Ju.
If you had sex, you wouldn't need your workout. Sorry.
Ei, pode parando.
Pelo amor de Deus, tem como você me encontrar?
Oh, this cunt. Sorry, I shouldn't say that word. But she's so fake. She's so fake.
Melhor você ir, né?
É melhor.
Again, any sane person would have cut this bitch out of their life.
Se cuida.
Paola!
Surpresa!
Oh, fuck off.
Que é isso?
Fuck off. Fuck off. Just like this lady. Jesus. She's just so triggering.
Que foi, linda? Não gostou da surpresa?
Eu achei que tinha acontecido alguma coisa com você.
E aconteceu? Eu quis te ver.
Eu não acredito que eu saí da minha casa pra isso aqui, né?
Pra isso tudo aqui, né? Ficar lá com aquela sem sal da Juliana.
Hello. We're having a very dramatic scene happening right now, Willow. And as per usual, your butt is in the way. And I don't mind, you know, normally it's fine, but your butt takes over all the subtitles and I can't read it. So, what are you going to do? What are you going to do? Make a decision. Make a decision. Are you going to move? Are you going to be a parrot? Are you going to go with Coco? Or are you just going to stare at me? What are you going to do? What are you going to do? Look at all that fluff. All that fluff. Good girl. Right, sorry guys. As per usual,
Você
Willow.
nem gosta dela. Por que você tá com ela?
Willow always has to make her presence known. She is, of course, the queen of the house. She keeps her slave in check. Like, you can't forget that I exist. Right. She's in that mood, so she's gonna be annoying.
Aí fica esfregando essa traição na minha cara.
Traição! Você tá maluca?
Você tá com ela por pena.
Eu amo a Juliana.
Uma porra nenhuma. Nenhum filho ela pode te dar.
Yeah,
Você
there you go.
nunca mais fala isso.
Now block the bitch. Now, right, go home, block her on all your social media, block her on your phone. Hell, throw the phone out the fucking window. Get away from her. Just get away from her. You're just feeding into her psychosis. Is that the correct word? Seems like the correct word. Oh, this is a flashback. We've seen this scene before. Paula's gonna show up. Yeah.
Sabe onde ela tá?
Como é que você entrou aqui, Paola?
Não te interessa.
Claro que me interessa, essa casa aqui é
O
minha.
problema é seu. Cadê a Fernanda?
But is it their house? Because I thought they were on vacation.
Não te interessa.
Debuxa.
And look, someone's in the window. Someone's in the window. It's her mate.
Paola, sai da minha casa, eu tô pedindo.
Adoro quando você fala meu nome.
É? Então vou falar de novo. Sai da minha casa agora, Paola.
Ou o quê?
Ou eu chamo a polícia.
Chama! Então chama logo. Porque eu vou te perguntar só mais uma vez. Cadê a Fernanda?
Yeah, she's cracking up. Yeah, you're not gonna outrun the car. Because you're not gonna outrun a car. You get off the fucking road and you hide behind another car just in case they decide to swerve and try and get you. Can you hear it? The heartbeat. I'm panicking. It's a nice touch.
Oi.
Yeah, it's a very nice touch.
Quê? Não, calma. Eu não tô... Tá. Tô indo pra aí. Tá, tchau.
Tava onde?
Also, one thing I've also noticed with him is he's always done a lot of sniffling in this. He's not on drugs, is he? He's not like been sniffing cocaine or something. Because he always seems slightly off his fucking head.
Posso, tava comendo uma puta.
Não tem puta nenhuma, não. Só se você estiver falando de você mesmo.
Me respeita!
Meus amigos me avisaram tanto que você era esse tipo de mulher. Mas eu preferia acreditar em você, que você tinha mudado, tava diferente, mas pelo visto...
O que você quer falar com isso?
Você tá achando que eu tenho cara de otário?
This is another guy that needs to just fucking do one. He seriously needs to do one. He's such an immature little narcissist child.
Você acha que eu não vejo como você olha pro Daniel? Como é que você fala com ele? Eu vi suas mensagens com ele, tá? Só não vi que você apagou. Tava combinando de dar pra ele de novo, né?
Não faço isso.
Faz sim.
Mas você?
Eu não fiz nada.
Você tá com cheiro de puta.
Eu não fiz nada, tá? Você me prometeu.
Cansei. Chega.
Você só sai daqui se eu deixar, tá?
Você é uma coitada, Paola. Se enxerga.
Finalmente.
O que tá
Look,
acontecendo
look,
aqui?
yeah, look. We're having the flashbacks. Well, not the flash forwards, I should say. Flashbacks not correct. We're having the flash forwards.
Você deveria se valorizar. Parar de dar em cima de uma mulher que é casada, que tem filho e que não quer nada com você.
Valorizar, Juliana? Presa num casamento fracassado há quanto tempo?
A única fracassada aqui é você, Paula. Você é patética.
Pelo menos eu não tô morta por dentro.
Como é que é?
Não me empurra, não.
Ah, é? Você não vai entrar na minha casa, falar mal de mim e da minha família. Sai agora
Sua
daqui.
família? Que família? Iludida. O filho nem é teu. E o outro você perdeu, não foi?
Pelo menos eu tenho uma família. Coisa que você, invejosa, nunca vai ter. Olha aqui.
Para. Cala sua boca. Eu vou acabar com você.
She needs to go
Sai
to a
daqui.
psych ward. Fucking psych ward.
Tudo bem? Ela nunca vai mudar, Fernanda. Para de
Yeah,
tentar.
thank you. She won't. She's too fucking. And then the problem is she's obsessive, and then you've not had a clear cut. Okay, yeah, she was getting treatment and help with her cuckoo-ness, but you were still in contact with her, so she couldn't fully relax. She needed a clean slate in order to help herself, and she didn't have that.
Tá tudo bem? Fernanda, cadê o nosso filho?
Deixa eu sair, Caio.
Não. Você não entendeu. Você vai ter que me ouvir. Vai. Eu sou tão bom pra você. Eu sou quase um príncipe.
It's another mate. Nah, I know where this is heading. I know where this is heading. I'm gonna do a trigger warning. He's gonna rape her, or he's gonna at least sexually assault her. So, if that's triggering to anyone, I would recommend you skip ahead and skip this, or even go off the video. You do what you need to do, okay?
Eu tô tão bem. Você nunca vai encontrar ninguém que nem eu. Nunca. Fica dando mole pra aquele chefezinho.
Você tá maluco? Isso aconteceu na tua cabeça, Caio. Para!
Sabe o que você é? Você é uma piranha. É isso que você é, uma piranha. Você deu mole pra todo mundo. Pegou aquela garota da faculdade, pegou a Fernanda e agora fica nessa merda do Daniel.
I mean, she was smart enough to do that.
Não grita. Não grita. O que vão pensar? aqui é coisa nossa. É briga de casal, tá entendendo?
Yeah.
Eu te amo. Você me ama.
It's so
Gente, você tá
delusional.
tão bem. Não tem por que envolver os...
She's doing such a good job here. She's doing such a good job acting this out. Hi. Here's guest number 2. This is Tuggy Tub, who will also want my attention. What are you gonna do, buddy? You gonna come here? Because you can't stay there. What are you doing? You can't stay there. You come in? You come in or what? No? Okay.
Os
You
outros,
stay out the
tá?
way.
Bom? Eu vou te soltar.
God, yeah, she's doing such a good job.
Segurar. Mas você tem que prometer que vai ficar quieto, tá? Que vai ficar tudo bem entre a gente, tá bom? Tá.
Come on. Good boy. Good boy. Look at her.
Você é minha. Minha. Tá?
And also, he's always done a good. The actor has always done a very good job because his character has pissed me off since the fucking beginning, which is just a testament to his acting skills. No, that's there's no way he's left it as that.
Oi, Diana. Onde vocês estão?
A gente tá na pracinha.
Tá. Eu tô indo pra aí. Me espera aí, tá? Não sai daí, por favor.
Juliana, espera!
Sai.
O que tá acontecendo, Caio? Oi, pá. Elas acabaram de sair daqui. Foram buscar o Tomás. Tá.
Why would you tell her that, you knob? Absolute fucking knob. We saw that, yeah, I fucking knew it. He's such a penis. So he didn't rape her, but pretty much borderline nearly did. And could have. Don't touch her, don't touch her. Yeah.
Daniel, sai daqui, Daniel. Sai daqui, Daniel. Sai daqui.
Calma, só tem gente aqui.
Yes, bubble butt.
O que houve?
Ele pegou meu celular. Ele leu que você me mandou mensagem. Ele entendeu tudo errado. Você não deveria ter me mandado mensagem. Eu não deveria ter respondido. Eu não deveria ter apagado.
Look at you being all cute. I'm tangled up in my headphone wire. Right.
Luz.
Nada justifica a forma como ele te trata.
Yes. Yes. You make it, but that's the thing, she's falling into the behaviour of making excuses for him. It's like a self-defense mechanism of like, you try and justify their behaviour in order to shield yourself from the pain.
Eu não fiz nada. Eu não fiz nada. Eu não fiz nada.
Eu sei.
Make me ask them. It's a problem. Whenever he's on my lap, he's always got to be on my shoulder or holding my arm prisoner. I'm gonna let you go down, okay? You're not a
Eu vou
light
denunciar
boy.
ele. Você vai comigo?
Good boy. I nearly called him a girl then. The teddy bear.
Juliana, vai me dizer o que tá acontecendo? Saco!
Put your seatbelt on. She's not got a seatbelt on. Hello, but no, that's not. This is not the moment, okay? She's not got a seatbelt on. Did she go through the windscreen? Because we saw an image of Julia in the car, bloody. And then we saw like a child's footsteps going to pick up the teddy bear, but she's holding the teddy bear. So did she go through the windscreen glass holding the teddy bear?
Você acha que eu não vejo como você olha pro Daniel? Tava combinando de dar pra ele de novo. Eu sou quase um príncipe.
Yeah, that line.
Você é uma piranha. Isso que você é uma piranha. Minha. Não, Greta. Não, Greta. Vou soltar. Você nunca vai encontrar ninguém que nunca.
And also, guys, yes, he got physical, but what he was saying is still is abuse. It's emotional abuse. Never put up with someone who emotionally and verbally abuses you. You are worth so much more than what some people treat you. Know your worth. Know your worth and know that you're not alone.
Você tem que prometer que vai ficar aqui. Eu sou quase um príncipe. Te trato tão bem, Greta. Não, Greta. Não. Você é minha. Você é minha. Eu vou te soltar. Já vai ficar tudo bem entre a gente. Tá bom? Você é minha. Minha.
Caramba, pá, por que você não atende minhas ligações quando eu mais preciso de você? Pá.
Ju, pra onde a gente tá indo? Juliana, tô falando com você. Ju, pelo amor de Deus, pra onde a gente tá indo? Fala alguma coisa. Juliana!
Fernanda, será que você não percebeu que a Paola acabou de nos ameaçar e nosso filho tá na rua?
Cadê minha mamãe?
Oh, it was her folks, not the kids. And also, why would... Little nag here. Your partner is clearly really upset. Excuse me. Your partner's clearly upset and aggravated, and you're distracting her from driving. Well, I was asking for it. Yeah, she got thrown.
O que você fez?
Fala, você já tá mesmo.
O que tá acontecendo aqui?
And that's how his shirt gets bloody. Mate, that's not gonna come out. You need to just bin that. Burn it.
Daniel? O que tá acontecendo?
Me ajuda.
O que é isso, Daniel?
Ela tava aqui cheia de sangue.
Ela quem?
Ela não pode ter morrido.
Daniel? Daniel? Quem?
A Paola veio aqui, cheia de sangue, me abraçou. Eu não entendi nada. Juliana não atende.
Calma. Já tentou a Fernanda?
Chama. Nada.
Vou tentar, tá?
Oh, we're gonna leave this season with a cliffhanger. Oh, are they dead? Oh, are they dead? Of course they're not dead because there's another season. But I can understand. Ah, fuck you, bastard! Don't use your claws, you dickhead. But I can understand. You know, when this first released, that you were like, oh my god.
Fernanda? Cadê a Fernanda? Tá, manda a localização.
Oh, okay. So my brain was theorizing, right, Paula's covered in blood because she's took Fern and is holding Fern kidnapped. That's where my brain went with all the blood. But that was really well done how they've done that. Like, Julia's like disoriented. You can tell with his footsteps. Oh, I need to pick up the teddy, and then it's, oh shit!
Você não vai se aproximar delas. Você tá maluco?
The only thing is, a little another nag, that the windscreen is fine in the car. But then that's just down to the fact that you can't afford to have the windscreen broken. You know, that is what it is. Yeah. Those subtitles were very fast. Yeah, ask for help. Always ask for help, guys. Never put up with it. Never put up with it. Yeah, she's not dead. Now, if there wasn't the 5th season out, I would be like, oh my god, oh my god. But because there's a 5th season out, I know she's not dead. Considering how much they had to cram into that last episode, they did a very fucking good job. I am very, very surprised. And yeah, I'm very surprised by that. They did a very good job there. A very good job. I was expecting it to be a clusterfuck. But then again, they'd already used all the clips in the whole season. Like, I thought they were flashbacks originally, and then someone corrected me. Thank you. And they're flash forwards. And yeah, so they already had all the clips. They just needed to compile it. But you know what? That was really well done. But the only one scene that we've not seen is where Fernando's in the bed. Julia's crouched down in front of the bed holding Thomas. We haven't seen that scene. And I'm assuming that scene was a flash forward. Because Fern was all upset and everyone was all upset and Thomas was confused. Yeah, that was really fucking good. That was really well done. And, you know, the windscreen, you know, that I knew it wasn't going to be broken anyway because they can't afford that and they can't afford to have glass everywhere and all that. They don't have... Sorry. It always squishes my arm. They don't have the money to be doing that. And plus, let's be honest, you don't want glass everywhere because then you got to then tidy it all up. Yeah, that was really good. I'll definitely be checking out season 5, which is the last season. And yeah. I'm always looking for recommendations, guys. If you've got any recommendations, I'm always game. I do struggle a bit with the Thai and the Thai ones I'm finding, because it's just such a cultural difference and my brain just struggles to compute, and that's an issue with me, not with the production value and the way it's done. It's yeah, I struggle. Right then, thank you guys for watching. If you did get this far, I do really appreciate you guys. We've hit over 400 subscribers and I can't thank you guys enough for giving me a chance, sitting down and giving me your time to watch me literally sit here and make an ass out of myself. So I really do appreciate it, guys, and hopefully you guys will continue to enjoy what I do. I'm flying in the dark here, so any recommendations, any suggestions, I'm all for it. So on that note, guys, have a good night, good day, whatever it is for you, and I shall see you fuckers for the next one.